Kiana is riding. I had to go somewhere. The air is on, and that's her favorite spot. She has a seatbelt on. She loves to ride. I bring my other ones too. Kiara likes to ride too. But Kiana, she really loves it. Her grooming session is almost here. She will be getting groomed soon. Kiara, I didn't get her groomed till she was almost 1. Because I know they said you're not supposed to get them groomed till they're 1. That's what I heard, but I'm not sure about all of that. But I just know it is time for her. And where I take Kiara, that's where I take Kiana. That's why I'm taking Kiana. Because I want to make sure that they can take her as a puppy. Because I know sometimes they say feet, face, and fanny. And because they want to be able to see how they can tolerate getting a full groom. So it'll probably be a puppy groom, but definitely I'm gonna have them take her down, as far as her hair. But she likes to ride, and she just enjoys, the wind, and plus the air is on her, so she loves it. Hi, Kiana. So see, she won't say much to you while she rides. And as a puppy, I don't mind her standing up as long as she got her seatbelt on. But see, that's her spot right there. Guess I'm gonna get ready to pull into my destination, but I just wanted y'all to see. Thanks for watching.